I'm going to teach you how to do this eye look. It's perfect for any outfit or any occasion. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to teach you step by step. First off, you're going to prep your lids. You're going to either use a concealer, a primer, foundation, anything. Just get that on there so that way you start with a clear base and it'll give something the eyeshadow to stick to. This is the palette that I'm using. Basically, all you're going to need is 2 shades of brown and a black. So I'm going to be using these 3. Medium-sized blending brush, you're going to dip into that lighter brown and you're going to tap this into your crease. So go ahead and tap that in there and then blend. I like to bring the product out here. Just feel like it gives my eye a little bit of a lift. So you should end up with something like this. I'm going to grab this brush right here. It's just like an angled blending brush. Pick up that darker brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp this on the outer corner just like this. Flipping that brush over. I'm going to flick that out. Flip back over and go into my crease. I want to like stamp and drag in. All the way across your crease or slightly above. Use that same brush in the leftover product and just rub this on my under eye, or you can use that lighter brown. Okay, so now I'm going to carve out my crease. I'm using a Q-tip and micellar water. So the shape of your crease is going to depend on your eye shape. You can either make it a lot flatter like I did, or you can do it a lot more rounded. You're just going to have to play with it to see which one looks best on your eyes. So go ahead and clean this up. And then with the other side of the Q-tip, just wipe all this off. You just have to fill that in with concealer and use a flat rounded brush. Make sure you use one because it makes it so much easier. Cut out pretty far. I'm going to go ahead and tap this out with my finger. Set the concealer with a translucent powder. I'm grabbing a little bit more of that darker brown. And I'm just going to tap this on the edge. Just to kind of get that blended. Use an angled brush and some of the black eyeshadow. I'm going to stamp this along my lash line just to kind of darken it. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker on the outer corner, and then thinner the closer I get to my inner corner. Now all that's left is to add mascara and some lashes and we're all done.